Are you looking for a user-friendly cloud backup tool that can take a complete backup of your Box Cloud account? We have the perfect tool for you. Recoveryfix BOX Backup software is an advanced tool with robust algorithms to efficiently back up all members' data from the Box Cloud server. The tool is optimized to ensure complete data integrity and maintains the original file/folder structure. To download Box data to your system securely, follow these steps. Download and install the Recoveryfix BOX Backup tool. Launch the software, and from the home screen, select the Box module. Provide a project name and also specify the job name for the backup process. Then click Next. Select Yes when the tool asks to create the project. 2 authentication methods are available: JWT authentication and CCG authentication. Here, we will be moving forward with the CCG authentication method. Select it and enter the client ID, client secret, and enterprise ID. When you enter the credentials for the first time, the tool asks you to save them to avoid entering the login details every time you create a job. Once you have input the correct credentials, click Next to log in. After logging in successfully, the tool will display all the members of your Box account. Select all members or a single one. You can also search for a particular member with the search feature. Once done with member selection, click Next. The tool lets you expand the member and choose any particular folder to backup. You can either select all folders or just a few. To view the file contents inside the folder, select it, and the tool will show the data items inside the folder. After selecting the folder, click Next to proceed. The tool offers a date filter to specify a start date and end date. You can set data filters for a selective Box backup. Only data whose file modification date falls between the set date range will be backed up. You can also set file filters and specify to exclude or include any file type from the backup by providing their file extension. Furthermore, to prevent the process from freezing due to a single large file, you can set an operational timeout limit. It can range from 2 minutes to 60 minutes. Finally, the user can specify to download every version of a file by selecting Include All Versions or choose to save the most recent versions and define the number of past versions to save. After applying all the filters, click Next. Now, click on Browse to provide a destination where the files will be saved, and click Next. You can choose to begin the backup immediately or schedule it for a specific time. To set the backup for a later time, select Schedule and click on Change Schedule. Define the date and time when you wish the backup to initiate. Additionally, you can choose to have the backup occur every month or week. You can select the days of the week when the backup will occur. The backup can also be configured to execute every day at a specific time. After defining the date, time, and day, click Next to save the schedule. We will select the Execute Immediate option and click Next to begin the backup process immediately. To view the backup process, click on the project name and select the job you created. Notice the status of the job is showing as running. You can view the real-time progress of the backup in the Progress Status section. You can also start a new job by clicking on the Add Job button. To remove a completed job, select the job and click on Remove Job. Also, you can restart a completed job again simply by clicking on Start Job. To pause the current job in a running state, click on Pause, and to terminate it, click on Stop Job. To refresh your current job progress, click on the Refresh button. Lastly, you can view the job report with the Backup Report button. Once the backup job is finished, the job status will change to Ready. To view the summary of the job, click on Backup Report, select the job, and click on View Details. A detailed summary will be displayed, showing information like source path, destination path, backup size, total file count, date, completion status, and remarks, if any. To save the report in the CSV format, click on Save Report to CSV. In this way, you can securely back up all members' data from the Box Cloud server without any hassle. To know more about the software's features and functionalities, you can also check out its free trial version through the given link in description. Have a great day.